Do you believe hot beverages like coffee, tea, hot chocolate are harmless to your teeth? Well, here's a winter myth that you need to bust. Hot drinks can cause more harm than you think. Over time, they can stain your teeth, turning them yellow or dull. Also, sugar in your hot beverages can feed bacteria, which can lead to plaque buildup and cavities. But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. You can take just simple steps to protect your smile during winter. Try drinking through a straw to minimize contact with your teeth. Rinse your mouth with water afterwards and wait for at least 30 minutes before brushing to avoid enamel damage. And when it's time for deeper clean, come visit at Real Tooth Dental Clinic for professional cleaning so that your smile stays long. Do you feel that sharp sudden pain when stepping out into the chilly air? Many people think winter sensitivity is just the part of a season, but here's some misconceptions. Winter time can make existing dental issues more noticeable like worn enamel or recession. This lead to tooth sensitivity, making it painful to eat cold food and breathe in chilly air. But here is a good news that you don't have to suffer through it. There are plenty of ways to manage and prevent winter sensitivity. Special toothpaste, fluoride treatment, and professional dental care can help to protect your teeth and reduce discomfort. At Real Tooth, we offer personalized treatment plan that target the root cause of sensitivity so that you can enjoy winter without pain. Have you ever stepped outside in a cold winter morning and feel a jolt of pain in your teeth? It's not just you. Cold air can have a surprising impact on your teeth. When you breathe in cold air, it can trigger tooth sensitivity, especially when you have thin enamel or exposed root. The sudden temperature shift causes your teeth to expand, contract, and sometimes leading to pain. Don't worry, there are simple ways to protect your teeth this winter. Cover your mouth with a scarf or mouth mask when heading outside and make sure you stay hydrated to keep your mouth moist. If cold air is still bothering you, it's time to get your dental checkup at Real Tooth Dental Clinic. Will protect your smile all season long. Winter air isn't just tough on your teeth, your gums feel it too. During the colder months, dry indoor air can reduce the saliva flow, leaving your gums more vulnerable to irritation, gum disease, and even bad breath. Also, if you're sipping on a hot drink, the heat can dry out from your mouth and making it worse. But don't worry, there are plenty of ways to keep your gums healthy during winter. Stay hydrated and use humidifier at home and make sure you follow your oral hygiene routine. And of course, regular visit at Real Tooth Dental Clinic will help you to stay on top of your gum health all year round. Think, you can slack on your oral hygiene during winter? Think again. Cold weather doesn't stop cavities from forming. Skipping brushing or flossing can lead to serious dental issues. In fact, sugary winter treats like hot chocolate, cookies, and holiday snacks can be more damaging, leaving you vulnerable to plaque buildup and cavities. This winter, don't let cold weather to keep you away from your dental routine. Brush twice daily, floss regularly, and make sure you do visit Real Tooth Dental Clinic for regular checkup and deep cleaning.